One of our newest options this year is the Lillipad Diving Board. It mounts right off the back of the boat and adds a whole new level of fun for both kids and adults. But like anything on the water, using it safely is what keeps the good times rolling. First things first, make sure you're in deep enough water. You're jumping from a few feet above the deck, so you need enough room below you. As a rule of thumb, 15 feet of depth is recommended to avoid any chance of hitting bottom. Next, set the board to the right user weight. Insert the pin into either the adult or child setting before anyone steps on. Using the wrong setting can put stress on the boat or put the jumper at risk. Then adjust and secure the stabilizing bar to the height you want. It gives you something to hold on to as you climb up and helps keep you steady right before your jump. Once everything's set, go for it and enjoy the kind of lake day people talk about all summer. As always, a little caution goes a long way. To learn more about adding the Lillipad Diving Board to your Crest and to explore all available options, visit crestpontoonboats.com.